Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do my nail and cuticle prep using my Efile and my new bits. I know y'all have seen these on my channel already, but I wanted to do a better video kind of showing it up a little more up close and showing you how effective this really is working out. I'm really loving this. Now I'm still getting used to using the Efile and the bits that I have purchased, and I can tell you that I'm thinking I'm really going to love it. I'm just going around the sidewalls. Now in this clip right here going in the direction I'm going in, I have my Efile on forward. I've got my speed turned down pretty low. I'm not trying to get all crazy because you have to be careful with these. You can damage your nails, you can cut your cuticles up, but with some practice I think I'm going to get really good at this. So I'm just going around on the forward motion and doing this side of all of my nails. And you can see a lot of stuff is coming up. I'm really impressed with how well this works. You just have to take it slow and be careful. Like I said, you can do some damage with these. I would recommend going and watching places like the Nail Hub. I would watch like Neo Nails and Career Education and things like that. Now I have turned the machine off and then turned it back on after I put it in reverse, because now I'm doing the other side. And you can see I've got like some kind of gel or gunk or something stuck down in that one. You have to be really, really careful with them. And I'm trying to learn how to hold my hand and everything. It's such a learning curve with things like this. But I can tell you, I think with some practice, I could get really good at doing this, just like everything else we do. I am loving the new bits. I am using the round ball ceramic bit today that I got from ToDac USA. And I am really loving it. So I am just going in and I'm going down the sides of my sidewalls. I am touching the skin a little bit. You can kind of, debunk a little bit of that, that hard skin you get on the sides of your nails. And that's why I'm interested in this, because I've really been having some issues with that thick skin around the sides of my nails. A lot of peeling with the skin, and it's just a mess. And so I'm hoping that learning how to use these, I'll get really good and be able to, have nice, clean cuticles, healthy cuticles. Like I said, I know that I can do some damage with these, so I'm trying to be very careful. I did check up on the Efile I have. I can't find it anywhere, but there are a whole lot of them out there. I just suggest you do research before making your purchase, and watch videos. Watch a lot of the other YouTube ladies. They've been demoing different ones lately. I'm going to dust them all off with my little fishy brush here. Get that dust off and kind of take a look at it and see where we're at. See how they look so far. Let's take a gander. I'm going to go ahead and also wipe them down with some 91% alcohol and a lint-free wipe. I'm not done with them yet. I'm just, I figured I want to get them all nice and clean and see what's going on here, what else I might need to do. And there we go. Get them clean. I am going to take my Revlon Shape and Buff, and I'm just kind of buffing. I normally do not buff my nails, but I just went ahead and did it today. It's probably been a really long time since I've done this. This is something I would not do on my weekly, cuticle care cleanup. I normally would only do this maybe about once a month, maybe, if even that. I don't, I normally don't buff my nails. Now my thumbnails are both like washboards, so they get done a little bit more than every other nail because of how wonky they are. They just grow crazy. And I'm just lightly buffing them. And I have sped this video up a little bit, so it looks like I'm just going to town on it, but I'm really not going that crazy. I promise. Just also, I had that leftover, little tiny bit of leftover residual staining, so I was removing a little bit more of that. But I just wanted to clean these nails all the way up and, you know, start with a very fresh start. Like I said, I don't do this often at all, because I don't want my nails to be any thinner than they already are naturally growing the way they grow. So I just normally skip the buffing, but I'm just in a mood today, I guess. I do take that shape and buff and run it across the ends of my nails to, you know, I'm not shortening them really. I'm just kind of sealing off those ends. There I go back in with the alcohol and wiping them down again. Get them all nice and squeaky clean. I can't stand that dust to be on my fingers. It makes me crazy. So now I'm going to go in with my Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream and a brush. And I'm just going to go around my cuticles really well. After all of that dusting and everything, I just feel like I need it. You know how when you feel thirsty, you're thirsty? That's what my hands are telling me. They're thirsty for some cuticle butter, some cuticle cream. And I have totally fallen in love. You can see I'm making a big dent in my Burt's Bees over there now. I'm using it for all sorts of things. I did get a little nick up at the top near the cuticle on that nail. So, just like I said, you got to be careful. And I didn't know if y'all would really be interested in this, but I thought I was doing it, so I would go ahead and share it. And I know it's not fancy nail art, but this is getting prepared for some fancy nail art. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I look forward to hearing from you. As always, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon.